Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Razr 2022 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should first click on this edit icon, scroll down, and we can see here there's all of the invisible icons. If you want to just change add some icons from here to your notification panel shortcuts, you should just hold the icon and just drag it here to this up section. If you want, you can add all of these icons here. Just to remove some of the icons by the same way, hold it and drag it to the down section. And to change their positions, we should also hold it and then just drag it. And just to save your changes, you should click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.